Street home, distant choir.
I stack my mornings into towers, learn to harvest on for power. Failure sketch the low-bearing lines. Now my spine's a skyline. Coffee, courage, keys and plans. Turn my doubts into new spans. Lay your cornerstone in truth, while your rooftop to your youth. If the wind tests every seam, hold it tight with living dreams.
Rise like cities, let the ground feel weight. 808s pave the fade.
Rise like cities, let the grass migrate. Choirs lift the gate.
I'm the beam that won't give way.
I'm the light that names the day. Rise like cities. I drew bridges out of fears, paid the toll with patient years. Now the traffic of our hope flows in lanes that we made cope. Skies reflect our open claim. Every window says our name. If the cracks begin to show, pour the gold and let it glow. If the sirens cry retreat, march your heartbeat to the beat. Rise like cities, steel and grace. 808 thunder, brass embrace. Rise like cities, claim your place. Song by song, we set the pace.
Oh, it's home.
We do,
Who stands strong?
we do,
We do.
together. Rise like cities.
Let the night turn bright. Choirs blaze, peaks of light.
We rise together.
Light it across the night.
Dreams in concrete flight. Razors fade,
Heartbeat kick along.